this university administration, the administrative people, and the faculty here very much, because in a foreign land, when our children comes here, there is nobody else here to look after them, but the administration is so keen in that matter that they take care of the children's needs first of all, and moreover this university provides an ample opportunity for the students, those who are ambitious to become a doctor. When they are not getting an opportunity in our motherland, they come over here for their studies, and this university provides them all the material that is needed for their studies. Moreover, extracurricular activities is there. So I am very thankful to the university administration and the faculty, rector and the pro-rector, and especially the agents who are working for this.
My name is Dr. Layam Anika, and I am mom of Layam Sharan, who has graduated recently this academic year. So as soon as I landed in this university, I felt that the environment is good and the buildings infrastructure is good, though I visited the academic departments and also the anatomy department, where I could find that the environment is good for the students to study their MBBS course. And then I was behind my son all the years.
My name is Gayatri Gudpati, and I have completed my 6th course in Zaporozhye State Medical University in 2018, and I'm really happy since I have gained in the top 5, and the university really appreciated us, and we are given a certificate of appreciation, and I'm really thankful to the dean, vice dean, rector, who always stood beside me and helped me to grow in this process.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanapati Tamil Selvan and I am from Tamil Nadu. I secured one of the good marks in the top 5 in Group 2, and I am studying in Zaporozhye State Medical University, and I have been graduated in the year 2018. I would like to take this opportunity for thanking our beloved Dekanat, Rector, Pro-Rector for giving this opportunity for expressing my gratitude and welfare for doing whatever he can do for the betterment of the students here.
Hi everyone, I am Varaha Bhatla Vamsi. I am a 5th year medical student at Zaporozhye State Medical University, Ukraine. I am from India. I am in my 5th year, just as I told. It's been 5 years since I've come to Ukraine. I've studied here, I've lived here. Why Ukraine and why not other countries? Because Ukraine is closer to the European Union and European countries as well. So I decided that it would be a very good opportunity for me to study closer to Europe and in Europe especially. So I decided to choose Ukraine because the standards of education, the ECTS system and the Bologna process and everything is very good for us here. And since I'm in my 5th year, I got a very good opportunity to work with many professors from different departments since my 1st year. And as I was very interested with research and scientific publications and everything, and I would like to be very thankful to our rector, especially Kolesnik Yuri Mihailovich, and our first pro-rector Avramenko Nikolai Alexandrovich, and our dean especially Melnik Ivan Vladimirovich. I would also like to thank my contractors for bringing me to Ukraine and for giving me this wonderful opportunity to study in Zaporozhye State Medical University.